Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam review not posting using the easy method. This is a great way to repair your broken comment forms on your current setup session, so your personal game ratings upload safely onto the main community store pages. Step 1. Verify your minimum required playtime record. The first step is to open your main library window on your desktop screen and verify that your personal account has logged enough active minutes inside the game to earn posting rights. Move your mouse pointer over to your software collection shelf, click on your target game name from the left side list, look at the middle of your screen canvas rows, and check the small clock text labeled playtime or time played. Confirm that your total playtime number shows at least 5 full minutes or more flat against your background view before you try to write anything. Because the main software company enforces strict protection rules inside its account system to block automated spam messages. If you just purchased a game or downloaded a free test file, the main internet servers will completely block your comment submission if your clock shows 0 minutes. Checking this baseline number ensures your profile meets the basic entry rules before you spend time typing. Step 2. Remove all banned words, special icons, and external web links. Next, you need to look very closely at the text you wrote inside your review box and delete any hidden symbols, web addresses, or strange letters that might trip the security filters. Highlight your typed text, read through it to find any website links, delete any strange emojis or heavy rows of question marks, and remove any aggressive language or rule-breaking words using your keyboard delete key. Verify that your written opinion looks like a clean, simple block of standard text words sitting inside your workspace canvas box. Because an automatic text inspector runs in the background the exact second you hit the post button. If the automated tool spots a website link or too many repeated symbols inside your comment rows, it flags your entry as dangerous and locks it down tight. Keeping your wording simple and clean skips past those strict background filters instantly. And that's it. To fix Steam review not posting, you must first check your library to verify you have at least 5 minutes of playtime on your screen. Then you move your mouse to your text box to delete any website links, strange symbols, or banned words on your screen canvas rows to clear filter locks. Next, you go to your settings under the interface area and click Delete Web Browser Data to clean out your broken tracking folder files. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.